This is a key for the 2009 Subaru Forester XS, and the key worked fine. The car started, but the buttons weren't working, and I believe that the battery clip had broken away from the PCB. So this is the repair. Take the two halves apart, put a screwdriver in here, and you can snap the two halves apart. That'll give access to the battery inside. Okay, so this is the part that we need to deal with. Take these three screws out here. They'll give access to the battery. And this is the clip that gives the problem. And if you take your battery out and that clip is flopping about, you know that's your problem. And this clip here, so if that's loose, it's broken away from the PCB, that one there. To get access to it, you can see the PCB inside there. These two halves, although they look like they're glued together, they do come apart. You can use a screwdriver or a fine blade or your fingernail if it's fine enough. Just run it around that edge, and as you do it you'll hear the snap as the two halves come apart. And there we have it, two halves come apart. So this is a rubber backing. It slides into the other half. So pop him out. There are your buttons. And then the PCB comes out of that rubber backing. PCB. And here's the troublesome bracket on the PCB, and you can see there that I've already resoldered rather, that back in place, and the remote's now working. Happy days.